Hello students. Prepositions are the words that we put before nouns or pronouns. These denote in what relation the person or things indicated by it exist. In relation to something else, look at the below example. The child jumped off the bed and there is a bee in the jar. Here, of the and in the are the preposition used in the sentences. Types of prepositions. There are several types of prepositions such as simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, phrasal preposition, and participle preposition. Simple preposition are used to denote a relation between noun or pronoun. They can be even be used to join different parts of sentences and clauses. Simple preposition are one-word prepositions. Common words used that come under the category of simple prepositions are as follows: in, out, on, up, at, for, from, by, of, through, till, and etc. These are all the simple prepositions used in sentences. Double prepositions. Double prepositions are made by putting together two single prepositions. That is why they are called double prepositions. Common words used as double preposition are as follows: on to, into, throughout, up till, up to, within, without, upon, and many more. Compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are those types of prepositions that are usually formed by prefixing a preposition to noun, adjectives, or adverbs. They are different from double preposition because they are not formed by the single preposition. Common words which come under the category of the compound preposition are stated as below: above, about, across, along, before, behind, beside, inside, outside, etc., and many more. Phrasal prepositions. Phrasal prepositions are group of words or phrases that join in the noun or pronoun in a sentence to the remainder of the sentences. These groups of words express a single idea by coming together as a unit. Words that come under the category of the phrasal prepositions are as follows: in addition to, by, mean of, in spite of, according to, owning, in favor of, and many more. Participle prepositions. Participle prepositions, indicating from their name, are present participle form of the verb. They are used without any noun or pronoun attached with them. The words that distinguish a participle preposition are as follows: concerning, considering, bearing, touching, pending, during, and etc., and many more. So, this is all about the prepositions and their types with a definition. Okay, please like and subscribe the video.